Hey everybody, my name is Alex, and I just wanted to kind of post an introduction video for myself. I'm sure a few people are wondering why I'm posting original songs in Hmong. I've been learning Hmong for about a year now, and I thought that maybe writing these lyrics would help me to pick up more on my vocabulary. And back when I was started learning, a friend of mine played Guhlugo to me, by the Sounders, and I thought it sounded really good. And so I just wanted to create a song kind of like that. And so hopefully I'll keep writing new songs and keep putting them up, and hopefully that'll help me learn a little bit more about the words and the sentence structure and things like that. And I appreciate all the comments that I've gotten so far on my videos. Any kind of help is appreciated, anything that can help me to understand better how to write and how to speak Hmong correctly. And hopefully I'll do some covers too. I know some people don't like you to cover their songs because copyrights, things like that. And of course, I wouldn't want to steal anyone's songs. I wouldn't want anybody to steal my songs either. But I really like this one song by Pong Vang, Goyo Tsuya, and hopefully I'd like to cover that soon, maybe today, I don't know, and I hope he doesn't mind. But yeah, I just really love the sound of Hmong music, and I like the culture. I like the food. Food's great. But yeah, I'm gonna keep trying to write, and if you can, or if you'd want to, you could help me out with translating, and hopefully if my songs are really uh, bad, really incorrect, then maybe I'll post them again once I get them 100%. So I just want to thank everybody who's commented so far. I want to thank the people who have subscribed so far, and I just, yeah, thanks a lot. So anyway, I'm gonna go because I have some music to record. So I'll see you guys, and thanks for watching.